Today I want to show you how to make this delicious homemade dessert in just 5 minutes. It doesn't have any sugar and it's very, very creamy. The night before, we soak dates, 60 grams, which is about 30 dates. The next day we drain the water with a colander. We'll remove the pits or seeds from all. If you want to support my work, share this video with your friends and leave a lovely comment. Next, we'll use 4 eggs. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We mix a little. Now we're going to add half a liter of milk, which is 2 cups of milk. We also add a splash of vanilla and about 24 drops of stevia, 100%. Write to me in the comments, what recipes would you like me to share with you? We mix a little more and add a cup of shredded coconut, which is 100 grams. We mix well. We'll put this mixture in the blender. We add the dates we've already pitted. And we blend it extremely well. I would really like you to tell me in the comments which videos from my channel you like the most and which ones support you in your daily life. We're going to pour this mixture into an oven-safe dish. We fill a baking tray halfway with water. And we place the dish with the mixture on top. Bake in a medium oven at about 80 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven. After this time, check if it's ready by poking it with a knife or stick. And if it comes out clean, it's because the dessert has set and it's ready to take out of the oven. We let it cool briefly. And then we're going to decorate it with a little bit of ground cinnamon. We let it cool naturally and then we put it in the fridge, and once it's cold, it's ready to enjoy this delicacy. I would like you to make it and tell me in the comments what you thought about its flavor and creaminess. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.